Tensions continue to escalate in Durban CBD after foreign nationals reportedly refused to leave the Diakonia Centre, where they were relocated following dramatic clashes with police at Durban Central Police Station. The migrants say they fear for their safety as anti-immigrant protests intensify across parts of the city, with growing calls for undocumented foreigners to leave South Africa. Many are now pleading with authorities for urgent protection, shelter, and intervention, warning that returning to their communities could put their lives at risk.